Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to withdraw Shopee coins quick and easy tutorial updated 2025. So you can use Shopee coins for orders on Shopee, payments to Shopee Pay merchants, purchase digital products such as e-vouchers, purchase of Shopee Pay scan and pay vouchers, exchange of Shopee prices, game items, and redemptions of vouchers. Kaya stay tuned ka lang mga kaibigan at start na natin. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-open yung Shopee applications mo at kailangan mo lang i-login yung Shopee account mo. So open lang natin ang ating Shopee applications, to click mo lang yan. And then, dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung video mga kaibigan. Ito siya. So, pag click mo yan, so dito sa more coins or free coins ay dito tayo nagkakaroon or nakakapag-earn tayo ng Shopee coins. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito is manood ka lang and then scroll up ka lang and then makakaipon ka na ng Shopee coins dito. Kung paano ba natin i-withdraw yung naipon na nating Shopee coins. So, makikita mo dito yung free coins and more coins. So, itap mo lang yan. And then, automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo kaagad dito yung coin savings. And then, ito na yung na-earn natin or naipon na natin na coins. Mayroon na tayong 171.80. Kung paano ba natin ito withdraw? So, makikita mo dito lang sa right side yung withdraw. So, i-click mo lang yan or itap mo lang yan. And then, dito naman sa withdraw to coins. So, the rewards can be only withdrawn to Shopee coins. To view your Shopee coins balance, go to me page, click on Shopee coins in the My Wallet section. So, withdrawal amount. So, nandito yung amount na pwede nating i-withdraw regarding sa ating naipon na coins. So, meron ditong 1, 5, 10, 30, 50, and 100. So, since naka 171 na tayo, so pwede na tayong mag-withdraw ng 100 dito. So, ang next step, so itap mo lang dito yung 100. And then dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung withdraw now. So, i-click mo lang yan. And withdraw successfully. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dito sa MyCoin ay na-withdraw na natin yung 100. So, 71.80 na lang yung natira dito. So, back lang tayo. Click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. So, coin savings. So, na-withdraw na natin yung 100 and then i-check lang natin. So, back. And then dito tayo sa made sa account natin. And then refresh lang tayo. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo na dito sa ating coins, nandito na yung 100 na withdraw natin. Automatic mga kaibigan. Alright, so napakasimple lang talaga kung paano mag-withdraw dito ng Shopee coins. Ayan, so please guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.